trying to enter the same code as before, but I can't remember it. It's the same one that made the chickens bigger.
I still don't believe that, because, you know, never actually got to the bigger part. Now we just freaking got the wrong sound. No matter how you spell it.
No, it works. I just... If I could remember how to do it, we could put it back.
Stop. No. Wait. Okay?
The wrong sound. Let's get the sound right first.
No,
then we can make.
We have to reverse the chickens and then reverse the sound.
All right.
Okay, that's enough.
Cringe-delicious. No, can't make chickens bigger, so I don't believe that.
You ready for this?
So how am I supposed to go on a worldwide spree of making tits bigger? Can't even do it to chickens. Screwed up the sounds. If I try to freaking make their racks bigger, they'll just like get reversed.
Did you say rice? You ready?
I'm unimpressed.
Yeah, man. You tried to make chickens bigger, and you screwed up the sound. So if I tried to make tits bigger, they would like.
Please don't try to do that.
Swap them with the butts, so the butts would be up here. So this is like the chicks would be twerking like that.
Chickens. Okay, I think I'm onto something here. I think.
You think so?
Think about it.
Nah, man. Okay. I got some.
I'm not sure that you know what you're doing, dude.
Yeah, totally.
No.
Know what I'm doing. I'm making the tits bigger. Screw
You
fixing the
can't-
sound.
You can't.
Screw the chickens.
Stop.
No, I want
everything.
I want the boobies.
Stop. We can't have boobs.
Fine. Neither of us know what we're doing, so why don't we just get Ian to freaking face plant it again? Got a little keyboard imprint right there.
That's when y'all beat me with the keyboard.
Alright, so face plant into the keyboard again didn't work.
No.
No, but I think I have something else that can help us. Whoa.
Where'd the color go?
Yeah, that's not right.
Wait.
Whoa! No! Definitely not! No!
I got it.
You ordered something?
This is your house.
So? You live here sometimes. I didn't order anything.
Oh. What is that?
Is it supposed to be that big?
It's freaky. You think your girlfriend would like it? Probably so.
You should tell her about it.
I will.
I've never seen one that...
Huge.
I know.
Does it have elephantitis? It's like... What
Somebody should do to boobs what they did to that.
Wow, I'm not recording. I was in the zone.
Hey, die!
Wait, what's going on? Oh, so, okay, so, well, and take two.
So, smashing into the keyboard didn't work.
No!
Oh,
Do that.
take three, and
Whoa. Oh my god.
What is
Somebody should do to boobs what they did to